Now you get now you get 1. That would normally be 1/4. But what if you take the entire pizza, it would be 4/4. Now in proper fractions is if you get one step above that, so it's possible to get 5/4. 5. That seems impossible, right? Because there's no more pizza slices. But 5/4. Actually, to make it simpler, I'm just gonna make it 8/4.
8/4.
8/4. Now 8/4 can also be read as 1. Like 4/4, I guess. Would that be confusing?
So what about the mixed numbers?
Actually, never mind. Actually,
You just explain.
wait. So basically, actually, this will be second. This piece is think. So basically, a pizza. This is second. So you get pizza first. You get into 1, but a person gives you 4 other slices. So now it's like 5/4, which seems impossible, but can also be read as 1. It's 1/1/4. Because this is the same as that.
1/1/4.
Because this is the same as that.
1 and 1/4.
Yeah, this is the same as that.
Oh.
Okay, so like improper fractions seem impossible at first, but when you learn the connection between mixed and improper, it becomes possible.
So what about the mixed numbers? Can you explain
I did explain it.
about that?
Yeah, I did explain. Just do it again. You
Okay.
use the pizza, slice into 4 parts. You get 1, so 1/4.
Okay.
But imagine you can get 5/4, which seems impossible. But imagine a random person, gives you 4 pizza slices. So that'll be written as 1/4.
Yeah.
So 4 plus 1. That would also be the same as 5/4. So improper fractions seem impossible at first, but if you learn the connection between improper and mixed numbers, it becomes impossible. It becomes possible.
Now you are now in mixed numbers. So the given number is 2, 3, and 5.
Yeah, I already answered that. You can go look.
2,
I'm gonna boost my head.
3, and 5. So can you continue answer this?
Okay.
756. What is your answer? Or what are your answers?
Are you recording me? I know you're recording
This for
me.
mama. Itit man.
6/4. 7, 5/6.
Look at your 6. It's like
6.
Can you write properly the number 6?
Let me write 6 first. Does that look like 6 enough?
Yeah.
5/6 and 6. 5/7. It's possible.
Then the last.
11. 3/6. 3. 6/11. 6. 3/11. Yep, now I'm finished.
Okay, good.